Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. It's a sharp 2017 GMC Canyon SLT, top of the line, loaded. As you can see, it's got a rough country kit on it. It's got a 6-inch lift kit, backup camera, towing package. Got some nice 20-inch fuel wheels with some Nitto tires. Got the Nerf bar, nice tinted windows, color matching fender flares, bull bar, bug shield, you name it, it's got it. Automatic headlights, fog lights. Quicksilver is a color, it's a silver metallic. What a truck. It does have remote engine start. You just lock it, push and hold this button, and it cranks right up. It is a one owner, clean Carfax, Southern vehicle from Tennessee. Non-smoker, still smells brand new. No rust, no mud, just like a new truck. Got keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You got dual power seats. Passenger also heated leather seats. It's got the all-weather floor mats. There's your automatic headlights, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive. It's got your audio control behind the steering wheel. Leather wrap steering wheel. How about the miles? 4,000. Sorry. How about 4,990? Was it a correct mile? Just about 5,000 miles. You do have the Wi-Fi hotspot. Some you have to subscribe, but you can turn your truck into a hotspot. It has a collision avoidance system. If you come up too close, too fast to someone, it'll warn you. Got your cruise control. It's got the audio controls. There's your trip computer, voice command, Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming. Got a nice touch screen, got your outside temperature. Projection, you can, if you have an iPhone, you can project whatever's on your phone on the screen here. Very nice. It does have the factory navigation system, the real navigation, not just a turn by turn. We've got backup camera, weather, different things you can subscribe to, because basically you have the internet. It does have the upgraded Bose sound system. Got automatic climate control, you just dial the temperature you want. Towing package, traction control, cargo light. This is your lane departure warning system. It's got a camera in the windshield that looks at the white and the yellow line. If you come off the road, it will warn you. There's your heated seat control. Automatic transmission, got USB input, auxiliary outlet, another USB. I do have the owner's manual, original paperwork. Got nice tinted windows. You got the tinted windows even on the windshield. Automatic dimming rear view mirror. Got your OnStar system. Truck's been serviced, ready to go. I've sold quite a few of these. I actually drove one for about 6 months back in 2016. Great truck. Got the rear defroster, sliding rear glass. Got some USB power outlet and a 12-volt outlet. Also, you can raise the seat up. Well, it takes 2 hands, but whoa. Got storage, and there's your jack equipment. Got the capless fuel. You just stick the nozzle. Really sharp wheel, no curb rash. Some 285 55 20 blacked out wheels. It's got a nice clean frame. It's got the easy lift tailgate. You just It opens by itself basically. Sprayed in bed liner. I like these steps, it makes it easy to get in and out. Got all-weather format, front and back. Got the 3.6 liter V6. Plenty of power, reliable, fuel efficient. Nice clean engine compartment. This Canyon comes with the remainder of the full factory warranty, which is 3 year, 36,000 miles bumper to bumper, and 560 on the powertrain. If you're looking for a sharp, fully loaded, lifted truck and don't want to spend $50,000, I believe you found what you're looking for. To see if this Canyon is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available also. I have a credit application on my website, so you can fill it out and I'll get to work, see what we can do. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.